Stay close, everyone. The aquarium is very big today.
Leo, hold me his hand, please.
Okay, Mom, but I'm so excited. Mia, look at the big blue doors. I see them, Leo. Walk slowly. Do you think the sharks are inside already?
We will see the sharks soon. But first, we stay together.
I know, Mom. I will be careful. Wow, it feels like we are under the ocean.
Beautiful, right?
I want to see everything today. Look at that yellow fish. It is so fast. Can fish hear us when we talk?
Maybe not like we hear, but fish can feel movement in the water.
That is so cool, Dad.
Mia, what is that glowing room?
Maybe it is the jellyfish room.
Jellyfish? I really want to see that.
Wait, Leo. Mom said stay close.
Just 1 second. I can see them from here.
Leo, don't pull away. They look like little moons in the water. They are moving so slowly. Mia, come look at this.
Leo, I'm coming. Leo?
Leo is not here.
What do you mean, sweetheart?
He was holding my hand. I only looked away for a second.
Breathe, Mia. We will find him.
Everyone stop here. We do not run in different directions.
Leo, can you hear me? Leo, sweetheart, answer me. He liked the purple lights.
Then we check this room first.
Leo?
Is this his cap? No, Leo's cap is green. I thought it was his. I'm sorry. It is okay, Mia. This is not your fault.
But I promised to hold his hand.
He wanted to see the sharks. Maybe he walked this way.
Please stay beside me, Mia.
Leo loves sharks, but I don't see him. Look near the benches.
I will check the left side.
Excuse me, did you see a little boy?
He has a yellow shirt with white stripes and brown hair.
I'm sorry, I didn't see him.
Mom, what if he is scared?
Then we must stay calm for him. He needs us to think clearly.
Our son is missing. His name is Leo. He is 7.
I understand. We will help right now. Small boy, yellow shirt Joyschreitz. Last seen near the jellyfish room. Please check all nearby areas.
I feel so bad, Mom. I know you are scared.
But Leo knows your love. He knows we are looking. Listen to me, Mia. A mistake is not the end. Now we help each other and find your brother. A child was seen walking this way.
Thank you. We will follow you.
Please let it be Leo.
Leo, please answer. Check behind that family.
I'm looking near the water table.
Wait, I see yellow shirt with white stripes? No, that is not him.
Okay, we keep looking. We do not stop.
Excuse me, have you seen my little brother?
What does he look like?
Small, yellow shirt with white stripes, and very curious.
He loves turtle toys. Maybe he walked into the gift shop.
Good idea. Let's check together.
Leo would stop right here. He always likes the soft turtles. Leo, sweetheart, are you here?
Leo?
I'm not Leo.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. Jack, he is not here. Okay, I need to breathe.
We are doing the right thing. The workers are helping us now.
Please stay with me. We are checking cameras and rooms. I hope he found a safe adult. I have a message.
A boy is near the turtle tank.
Is it Leo?
It may be him.
Walk fast, but stay together.
Mia, hold my hand.
I am. I won't let go.
Leo, I see him! Oh, thank God he is there.
Stay calm. Let's go to him.
Mom, Dad, Mia, I was looking for you. I got scared, but I stayed here.
Oh, Leo, we were so worried.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You are safe now. That is what matters. I thought I lost you.
I didn't mean to leave.
Please don't walk away again.
I promise.
Leo came to me and said he was lost. That was the right choice.
Thank you for helping our son. Leo, when you cannot see us, stop walking.
Find a worker.
Say your name and ask for help.
Stop walking. Find a worker. Say my name and ask for help. Exactly, sweetheart. Let's sit for 1 minute.
My heart is still beating fast.
Mine too, but we are together now.
That turtle is so slow. Maybe slow is good today. Yes, slow means I stay with you.
Now we can enjoy the aquarium as a team.
No rushing. No rushing. I will walk like a turtle. The sharks are big, but I feel safe now. Because we are all together.
That is the best rule.
Being brave does not mean walking alone. Being brave means asking for help. I asked the worker.
Now we can look at the jellyfish together.
They are still like little moons. And you are right beside us. I like them more when I'm not lost.
I like them more when you are safe.
Me too.
Before we go, let's remember our safety rule.
Leo, can you say it? Yes, I can. 1, stay close. 2, hold hands. 3, ask a worker for help. Perfect. That is exactly right. You made a mistake, but you also made a smart choice.
I found a safe adult.
Next time, I will not look away. Next time, I will not let go.
Next time, we all help each other. The aquarium day was exciting, but for Leo and his family, it became an important lesson.
Can we come back one day? Yes, sweetheart. But next time, we stay together from the start.
Family trips are fun, but safety comes first.
And we listen before we run.
Mia, are you still mad at me?
No, Leo. I was scared because I love you.
Can we come back one day? Yes, sweetheart. But next time, we stay together from the start.
Leo got lost, but he did one brave thing. He stayed near a safe adult and asked for help. If you get lost, do not keep walking.
Okay, I'll stop and stay calm.
And ask a trusted worker. And always remember, staying close to your family keeps every adventure safe.
Slow like a turtle.